She wants to.
I know. She's trying.
She's getting mad. She's like, I can't talk, darn it.
Grandma? Grandma?
Mama?
Oh, I know. Grandma loves you. Hi.
When she gets sick or when she's crying,
Yeah.
it sounds like,
Tell
to
me
me,
some more.
I don't know why, but when she's like screaming and crying and like
Tell
really
me some more.
in a bad mood, it sounds, she's not, but she sounds like she says, Mama!
I love you.
Are you listening to me?
But she's gonna cry. Why? Yeah.
She's like, why is the camera in my face?
I think we kind of love you. I think we kind of love you. Oh boy, what was that? What was that? Yeah. Yeah. I think me and you are going to be best friends. And I'm going to feed you candy all the time. Yes, I am.
She likes that idea.
Yeah. We're going to have a drawer just for Ariana. Ariana drawer. Yeah.
Hey, get that on the
Yeah.
Are you taping her?
Oh. Such a little talker. Well, Grandma's going to go night-night.
Say night-night, Grandma. Night-night, Grandma.
I love you. Peace, Beaners.
What?
I love you.
What'd you say?
I don't know.